Hi guys, Andy here from Car Key Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to do a battery change on a Toyota proximity key. This particular key was used for models starting from 2009 up until 2013. We have models like Prius, Toyota IQ. These are just a few models that we found, but it works for other models as well. So if you have this type of key, the procedure is relatively simple. With the push of a button, you see the button on the side here, it releases the emergency blade. Once that is taken out, you can see here you have a small gap which allows a flathead screwdriver in to open the case. Once the case is opened, you have the battery inside here, and again with the help of a small flathead screwdriver, release the battery from its position. Have it changed. Okay, so in our case we have a CR1632. Once the battery is replaced, please make sure you put the positive side of the battery facing up, align the case back together and clip it back in. Okay, once that is done, the emergency blade back in and your key is ready to go. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you do have any questions, please leave us a comment below. Have a good day.